Hello guys, welcome back to Full Stack Overflow. In this video, I will show you on how to make the blog pages dynamically. Okay, on our home page, you can see the latest blog section. So what are we gonna do is to make it dynamic using the WP query or the Wordpress query function. You can check this WordPress site to know more info about WP query. So let's go back. Go to our index.php file. Then let's focus on the blog section. For now, we will be removing our static blogs item. Then keep only one blog item. When we refresh our page, you can see that we only have one blog item. That one blog item will be our base to loop our blogs. Let's create this function. By the way, I already have ready codes here. Our array for WP query is the post_type. So this post_type is the ID of our specific post. So that one, post_type. And then we use post per page. This is the number of posts or number of limits of posts to display. The default sorting when getting the blogs is by latest post. So let's start to loop our post using the code we used on our previous tutorial. So we will loop our post using while have post code. Okay, then here in our title body we have an image and we should update its source. Let us use the WordPress thumbnail. So to get it, let us use the function the _post_thumbnail function. By default, there are parameters on which size are we going to use. In this part, we will be using thumbnail. Next is to update the post title. Let's use the _title function. Then, let's update the link for the specific post by using the permalink function. Those are the default functions of WordPress. So refresh our website. So in our case, you can see any other posts, yet since we don't have any posts in our admin site. So let's create a new post by picking Add New. Type blog1 for the title and input also the content details. Then click the Publish button. Go back to our website and refresh. So we can see now the created post, but we don't see the thumbnail because we forgot to add it on our post. So to add and display the thumbnail, let's add the following functions in functions.php. So let's open our editor and paste this function. So these are the default functions of WordPress. This is the default thumbnail size. So let's save our file and go back to our CMS. Okay, and refresh. So as you can see here, the featured image is already visible in the right corner. So this is the area where we put our thumbnail. So let's select a thumbnail and click Set Featured Image. Then click Update. Refresh our website. And now the thumbnail is already displaying in the front-end side. In our code, let us update the thumbnail parameter to full. Refresh the website. And that's it. Image is already fit on our box. Let's add another blog to check if our loop is working properly. So click again the Add New. Type blog 2 and then also the description. Add also the featured image. Okay, then set featured image and click Publish. So this is it. Our latest plugs is already working. Then let's check if post per page is working. So let's try to put only one post per page. Let's save it. Refresh our website. And then we only have one post item, so it's already working. We are finally done on our latest blog section. So our next target is the blogs page. So in this page, we are going to display all the list of blogs or posts here. So on how to do it, let's create another custom template. So let's name it to page-blog.php. Then let's add again our header function, also the footer. Then let's add the template name. Let's name it as blog. There are many ways on how to create blog page, but this one is the easiest way. In here, let's add the code of our subpage. Type the subpages section . The next is the section inner. Then, let's add the title of our page using the title function. So now, let's just copy the code of our blog list view from our index.php's latest blogs section. So this is it. Let's just copy it and paste it to our container here. Then since we need to display all posts, we need to change the value of post per page parameter to -1, meaning it will display all the published posts what we have. Let's go back to our CMS. Go to page. Click the blog post. Edit. Then choose the blog template located here, which is this one. Click the blog and then click update. Refresh our blog page. So now all blogs are now displaying. There's just gap here because we only have 2 published posts. So let's try to add another post to fill that space. So click post, click add new. Then we have here the blog 3 title. Add also the description you want. Select the featured image and then publish. Refresh our blogs page. Then that's it. The gap is already filled with another post. In here, we will just move the page title inside our blog list area. So let's make this as the title function again. Click save, then refresh the website. And that's it. You can see the blog title here. So guys, our blog page is already working. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Our next topic is the single page of our blog post. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Full Stack Overflow.